Now, there aren't many opportunities for me to drive a very fast AMG car. You can just about see the body shape. Yes, this is the Mercedes-AMG GT, and I'm here at SMMT where I've got a very, very short time with the car, and I've got the key for about 20 minutes or so. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Alright then guys, now as I said, I've got a very short time with this car today because there are other people waiting, but I saw this car. I haven't covered the Mercedes-AMG GT facelift, so I thought let's just take it out for a spin. So I have the key somewhere. I think I put it in here. Yes, it's in here. So here we go. Foot on the brake pedal. Oh, that does sound good. Let's just open up the exhaust a little bit more so we can hear. Oh wow, can you hear that? Right, let's try out this new model. So, into drive, and away we go. Now, the Mercedes-AMG GT still, now to this day, has the 4-litre V8. Those of you who are Mercedes fans, and more specifically Mercedes-AMG fans, you'll know that the C63 actually came out with a 2-litre engine. Now, I haven't actually seen this yet, but this still retains that AMG character, being a 4-litre V8, bi-turbo to be precise. Now, the Mercedes-AMG GT is available in 585 horsepower and 612 horsepower, although the 612 horsepower actually has what Mercedes call the SE Performance, so this actually has hybrid tech to make it go faster, which is incredible. Now, this isn't the one that I have here today. This is the classic Mercedes-AMG GT V8, but it'd be really interesting to see what this is just like. Oh, the voice assistant heard me say the M word. So yes, even this has the Hey Mercedes voice assistant, so even in a high performance car like this. So let's open it up. Of course, I'm driving this in comfort mode at the moment. We'll be able to open this up in a minute and see what this car is more than capable of. Now, as with all Mercedes-AMG GTs, they handle the road and stick to the road like glue. Now, this one, literally, there is zero body roll in the corners. It really is probably one of the most planted cars you can drive. So if anyone who's literally had like Porsche 911s and that sort of thing, although I've not driven them, I've heard they're very good, I'm sure they will absolutely love the way this feels and operates on the road. Right, let's put this into a sportier mode. Give it some beans. God, that sound. Just no EV will ever make that sound. You just cannot replicate a V8 sound. You can do this artificial stuff, but it does not sound like that. Now, some of you might be wondering the price. Now, this actually starts at around £164,000, but can go up to a whopping £192,000. Let me just see where I'm going here, because it's extremely steep. But yeah, up to about £192,000. So it all depends which one you go for. And the ones on the screen here you can see are the different engine variants that you can get. But yeah, honestly, I don't think you'll need anything faster because this is ridiculously fast. And because I'm off track, we'll also be able to see what this is like on what this course calls the red route, which is taking us up to 100 miles an hour. Again, these hills are quite steep, so I've got to see clearly where I'm going. So let's see what this car is capable of. Let's put this into its sportiest mode with a loud exhaust. Come around the corner here and give it all the beans. God, that thing is rapidly fast. That was 60. So fast. Now up next is the high speed course where we can take this up to 100 miles an hour. Yes, 100 miles an hour in the UK because this is not a public road. To do this, I'm just going to remove this camera angle right here because, well, it's going to make a bit of noise and I'm not sure whether I trust the GoPro on the car when I'm doing 100 miles an hour. So let me just take that off for 1 second. I don't trust you. Let's get rid of you. Right, back into drive and away we go. So we're going to do this in comfort mode first. Okay, here we go. Right, entering onto the high-speed bowl. Make sure there's no one coming up behind us. And away we go. So they have certain speed limits here. So what was this one? I can't remember. This one's 40. So let's just wait for this high-speed car on my right. What is that? Is that a Kia going by? Look at them go. Yeah, there's the Kia. So this lane is 50. And here we go. Well, I've got to say, it doesn't feel like you're doing that speed for sure. It's just gliding across the road. And this is what they're built for those German autobahns. Need to get myself an AMG GT. Dream car if I won the lottery for sure. Right, let's take it back down a bit and slow up a bit. It's actually amazing that this car has so many different modes and different settings you can control. So you have, for example, here you've got a slippery mode, individual mode, a comfort mode, a sport mode, sport plus mode. There's so many that you can do and choose. Oh, hello. We seem to have an Alfa Romeo Giulia. Wow. You know what this means? I can keep up with you, no problem. Oh, the exit's coming up. I better come off here. Otherwise I'll be stuck in this bowl for a long time. Make sure we're all clear over here. Excellent. But yeah, I was saying it's amazing that, Mercedes have all these different modes on these cars because you could daily this car, put it into a comfort mode and it kind of make the suspension a little bit smoother. Now obviously it's going to be a firmer ride for a car just like this. I mean, look at it. It looks amazing. But yeah, it's incredible what Mercedes can do, and this obviously being the facelift has the latest multimedia system and all sorts in here. So yeah, really good to see. I would love to spend a bit more time in this car, but sadly it's just a very short one today as there are others who are waiting to drive it. But yeah, thanks Mercedes for letting me take this for a spin on a couple of routes, on the hill route and of course the high speed route as well. Can't do that on UK roads. Well guys, if you enjoyed this very quick bonus video this week, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and of course we'll see you all next time.